Hey everybody, it's Ira, founder of Project Help You Grow and account manager for California Surveying and Drafting Supply. If I look different to you, it could be my haircut, freshly cut, or my new glasses, blue glasses. So you're used to seeing me in the white. I just got these. I actually didn't get these to replace the white glasses. It's to supplement them because when I go outside, I didn't have sunglasses, and these are transitional lenses, so they turn dark. Ooh, fancy in the daylight and help protect my eyes. Anyways. I am on here. I'm testing out video editing software. I did one yesterday on Capwing, and it was okay. There was some. It was easy to use. I like that. I tried DaVinci Resolve already. That one honestly was a little bit too complicated for me because I am not a professional film editor. I am going to try Adobe Premiere as well because I am an Adobe user. So I have a feeling that because I live in Photoshop that I'll pick that one up faster. But honestly, before I did that, I want to try this filmora9. Watch the video, looked like it was easy to use, so I'm going to try that next. And if that goes well, I might bypass the Adobe Premiere for a while until I kind of get my feet beneath me. It seems like this is kind of an entry system, which I think a lot of us actually need because well, let's just put it to you this way. If you are opening Photoshop up for the first time, you're probably not going to be able to do the same things in it that I can do, right, with experience. And that's the same thing with film editing. Obviously, there's a lot to it. I didn't even know what I didn't know until I just tried to use that DaVinci Resolve. It was like, wow, this is way more complicated than I was thinking. I thought I was just going to, open it up, import a file that I shot here like this, and then do a picture-in-picture, and then add my stuff and make some bling 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 happen, and it was all going to be good. Anyways, wasn't quite that easy. So, not that I'm stupid, but I'm smart enough to know when I'm outmatched, and I'm backing back down a little bit so that I can learn to crawl before I walk, before I jog, before I run. That's the idea. I think filmora9 is going to do that. I will let you know. In fact, you can let me know what you think of this video. If you see fancy things happening, then I probably did okay. And if not, well, then I probably didn't. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. If you are looking to find me on LinkedIn, probably need to follow me at this point because I am maxed out. But if you need job search assistance, find it at projecthelpyougrow.com. And if you want to come learn how to grow in Excel on LinkedIn, come to San Francisco, October 17th for my free event. You just need the RSVP. So go projecthelpyougrow.com/events and RSVP there. Have a great day, everybody.